Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy a ticket on SeatGeek. If you don't have a SeatGeek account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, select either to instantly log in with your email, or use a password. Once you're logged in, search for the team, artist, event, or venue from which you wish to buy a ticket. You will also see the list of options once you click on the search bar. In this video, I'm going to buy a concert ticket. So after selecting an event, browse the category and look for the particular event you wish to buy a ticket for. In this video, I'm going to buy a concert ticket. So after selecting an event, browse the category and look for the particular event you wish to buy a ticket for. Review your selected ticket. If it looks good, click on Go to Checkout. Since I chose an electronic ticket, I need to provide my email address. If you selected a physical ticket, enter your delivery address. Then click on Continue to review. Lastly, review your order summary. If you haven't added a payment method, you could add one and refer to our video tutorial on how to add a payment method. And if everything looks good, click on Place Order. That's how you buy a ticket on SeatGeek. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.